Hey guys, welcome to Nyonya Cooking. To kickstart our relaunch of nyonyacooking.com, our website, we're going to show you a series of recipes which are related to one dish in Malaysia, and that is called banana leaf rice. You must be wondering, what is banana leaf rice? If you do not know it, check out the link in the description box. Now, banana leaf rice consists of many different recipes or dishes, and today we are going to show you how to prepare cucumber raita. Now, this dish is so simple, and let's directly get to the preparation. The base of cucumber raita would be yogurt. Just for taste, we're going to need a pinch of salt, so very little. Mix well. And here I have some cucumber chunks. I've chopped them, also removed most of the seeds that are available right in the middle because I want it to be really crunchy. And if you want it to be slightly softer, you can leave it on. But also remember that water might come off from the seeds itself because it can contain lots of water. So it's really up to you, but I remove them generally. So mix it in. I have tomatoes cut as well. Carrots. The chunks are slightly smaller than the cucumber because carrots are actually slightly more harder, and these are all raw vegetables. And all we need to do is mix. That's about it. Cucumber raita is ready. There's really nothing much to do except to put this into the fridge for about 30 minutes just to let this cool down. And banana leaf rice has a lot of curries, you know, flavorful, spicy dishes, and this really tones down the spiciness. So I really like this when it's served in banana leaf rice. Look at this. Now, if you like coriander, chop up a few pieces of coriander and then just sprinkle into your cucumber raita just before serving. Mix well and then serve. Smells so good. Let's quickly take a piece. Fresh, delicious. So delicious. So guys, if you want to know the actual ingredients, the amounts, head on to nyonyacooking.com, and that's where we have all the instructions, guidance, and also more recipes, and also the other recipes to create your own banana leaf rice at home. I hope to see you then. Till then, I wish you happy cooking.